Do you know many people are having trouble with their Braun ThermoScan 7 screen flashing on and off? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Identify error. Upon turning on the thermometer, if the display flashes continuously without a ready beep or symbol, it indicates a system error. Step 2. Auto restart. Wait for the thermometer to turn off automatically after 1 minute to allow it to reset itself. Step 3. Manual reset. If the flashing persists, remove the batteries and reinsert them after a brief period to manually reset the thermometer. Step 4. Check batteries. Make sure the new batteries are correctly inserted and align with the positive and negative terminals. Step 5. Check conditions. Ensure the thermometer is used within its operational temperature range of 1040 C, 5104 FE. By following these steps, your Braun ThermoScan 7 should work properly without the screen flashing issue. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Braun users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.